Oh my gosh, lag. Alright, now feast your eyes on some entertainment. Sure, no. Well, there you go. There you go. We're gonna be playing some Garry's Mod, and then we're just gonna, like, build some car things. I don't even know. Like, what kind of cars? Just super rocket booster cars. Like, stuff like that. Start new game. What? Why is there Counter-Strike? And why is it screaming at me? Over to the flat grass. Hopefully this takes just like 20 minutes or so. No, less than 20 minutes, like a minute, please. Because I don't want to be waiting here for like, I don't know how long. The add-on TFAAT something is creating errors. Check the console for details. Received all. I don't know. It should work. Is this supposed to be like a play button? Oh, well, I'm a Dorito Mountain Dew man. Well, that happened. So I've already built one, but I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna redo this one. So vehicles. This is kind of like a tutorial thing. So you're gonna want to get these. Kind of put it like that. So then you're gonna want to. What is it? All this? Then you're gonna want to get. What was it? Bricks. Where are the bricks? Not those, but perhaps cinder blocks. I know there's cinder blocks somewhere. There must be. Am I just not looking somewhere? Or please point out in the comments if it's actually there, because literally, like, this is annoying me. I've spent like 3 minutes on this video already, and I'm just looking for cinder blocks. Please help me. Well, we'll just use, like, I don't know, these or these. That's too big. Okay. Your spawnless Half-Life 2 props. Maybe just like this. Get 2 of those. And then you're gonna want to go over to here, put them at the bottom. Hopefully this works. Get like a weight if you want, if there are weights in this game. But then you want to like put it up there. And then grab the other one and put it like right up here there. Then this is kind of where it gets trickier. Some people might already know. Oh, by the way, to make it midair, stay in midair, just right click. Might be different, so sorry. Then you want to go over here, click on rope, choose whatever you want, it works. Then attach, 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 and attach. And attach, and attach, and attach. Just like that. And if you want extra. So then there, it looks pretty good. It's almost done. But literally, go to thrusters. Just go over to these things. Yes. Is it? What are my keys to use my thrusters? Okay, so you may have to change your keys to use the thrusters. To delete Z if you're completely new to this game. Thrusters? Yes, you need to change your thrusters. Do whatever you want. And then that's literally all. That's literally all. Just press Q. Oh, that's flying away. Then you just want to go like this. Then press whatever button you did. And then hopefully this works. You may need to reset. Oh, don't forget to do that, and that. Tell me what's going on. Oh, and to get into your vehicle, you might just want to go like yeet. What? This worked once. I swear. Oh no! But that's just like a basic. Yeah, just like that. There you go. It should work. You don't need to put the. Well, I don't think. There you go. Ah! But that's just like. I'm probably gonna have to. This will probably be a series. From now to an end. Just like I may add a new. Oh, if you want extra power. Oh, shit. Just go fly up with this V. Go Q. Go back to thrusters. Just go if you still have the same thing. Bop, 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 bop. You've got extra power. You've got way extra power. And get in the car, and then just, ooh, you can jump.